is LaVerne from Use What You Got It. I'm going to share with you some winter weather tips that I think will be helpful for you. I put some items out and I'll share a little bit about how I prepare and maybe it'll help you. One of the things is when it comes to food, I'm going to turn the camera a little bit. Get you a big bag of rice that will last you quite some time. That way, and especially if you got a big family, that way you'll have food that'll last you. Also important, if you can get Mylar bags to protect your food that you store, okay? It comes with, it's very nicely sealed, as you can see. If you get the packs on Amazon, it also comes with your fresheners. This is really good. You don't have to worry about you store your food in it or anything that you feel that could be compromised. But this is very important to have for storage. Also, make sure you have a good first aid kit and stock, your extra medicine. Have you some backup battery chargers. If you got the budget for it, you can even buy you these kits. They're also good. I have to have my Feastable candy bars. Then I love this little lamp light. This thing is very powerful. You can see that way as well as this way. It lights both ways. You can also get this from Amazon. Very handy. You can hang it if you need it. Then also, to me, I would have a bag ready to go if we need to leave. In the car as well as in the house. If you have 2 floors, it would not be a bad idea to have one upstairs. Keep you plenty of water in the car as well as in the house. It's going to freeze, of course, if the temperature is low, but at the same time, you want to have plenty of water at home. When you're commuting, always carry winter-wise items in the car. I remember as a little girl, Mama used to always say, keep a blanket in the car because you might leave one state going into another state and the weather may not be the same. So these are my little home tips to help you prepare for the winter. May you be safe. Don't lose no power. That way at least you can enjoy TV, movies, or whatever you like to do. Let's just stay safe, and I might come back with another video.